In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up a Gumroad account. So the first thing I'm doing here is going to gumroad.com, and once the page loads, I'm looking for the Start Selling button. As soon as I see it, I'm clicking that to begin the setup. From here, Gumroad takes me straight into the sign up process, and now I just need to choose how I want to create the account. At this point, I can sign up with email, or I can use one of the quicker options like Google, Facebook, X, or Stripe. I'm just choosing the option I want and going through the sign up screen from there. Nothing complicated here, just entering the details or approving the sign in method I picked. Once that's done, Gumroad will move me forward, but before the account is fully ready, I need to verify it. So now I'm checking my inbox for the verification email from Gumroad. You want to open the inbox for the same email you used during sign up, and once the message comes in, I'm opening it and using it to activate the account. That verification step is important, so I'm just making sure that part is completed before I move on. Once that's done, I'm back inside Gumroad and ready to finish the profile setup. Now I'm looking down at the bottom left corner and clicking on my profile. That opens up the account menu, and from there I'm going to settings. Once the settings page opens, I'm heading into the profile tab because this is where the basic account details can be updated. This is the part where the account starts to look complete, so I'm just filling things in one by one. First, I'm setting up the username, then I'm adding the bio, and after that I'm uploading the logo. I'm taking a second here to make sure everything looks the way I want, because these details help shape how the account appears. It doesn't take long, and once everything is in place, it already looks much more polished and ready to use. At this point, I'm just doing one quick check to make sure nothing was missed. I've gone to gumroad.com, clicked Start Selling, signed up with the method I want, verified the account through the email Gumroad sent, opened my profile from the bottom left corner, gone into settings, opened the profile tab and filled in the username, bio and logo. Once everything looks good, the last thing I'm doing is clicking update settings. And that's it, your Gumroad account is now properly set up and ready to go.